Hello everyone, today we are going to see how can we create these kind of images using Fooocus for free. Open any browser and search for Fooocus Colab. And go to this site. Once you open this, you will see an interface like this, and after that click on this connect button. After it has been connected, it will show like this. Note, if you have a powerful GPU, which has around 12 gigs of video memory, you can use the Fooocus app by following this site, but if you does not have one, you can follow these steps with me. After that, click on this play button and wait for a few minutes, and this might take some time depend on your internet connection. After it has been completed, then you will see a link which say, running on public URL, and open that link. After you have opened it, you will see an interface like this. And then click on this advanced button, and from here you will find different options. From here you can change your image resolutions and many different options, and I am recommending to keep other settings as it is, but you can experiment on your own with different settings. And to this section, I am pasting my prompt like this. Realistic photo of a woman with pink hair roots slightly faded, influencer, no freckles, blue eyes, no makeup, Instagram, and after that click on generate. And this might take some time because I have selected to generate 2 images. And from here you can download them. And if you want to generate images with the same face, then follow my steps. Check on this input images. And from here go to Image Prompt tab and upload your image that you want to swap the face to here and check on Face Swap. And go to the prompt section and paste your prompt like this, a woman wearing a with open breast in a cafe, and hit on enter to generate the image. So like that way you can generate AI images with the same face in different occasions, and from this moment you can create a fake AI Instagram model account and upload images and earn some cash from it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Good luck!